Locating places on Earth, scale of map and directions. Have you ever used a physical map to find a location during camping or out in the woods? How do you hold the map to find the location? Do you need to know directions to use a map? Well, this is what we will be learning in this video. Before we begin, let me ask you something. If a map shows two places that are just 3 centimeters apart, does that mean they are actually very close in real life? Let's find out. In our previous video, we learned that a map is a representation or a drawing of some area. It may be a small area, like a village, a bigger area, say a district, or a very large area, like India, or even the whole world. An atlas is a book or collection of maps. There are several types of maps. Some of them are physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. Let us now learn more about maps and how to actually use them. Look at this map. Can you find out how far the school is from the market? Let's say 1 centimeter on this map is equal to 1 kilometer in real life. So, if on the map the school is 2.5 centimeters away from the market, on the ground it will be 2.5 times 1, that is 2.5 kilometers away from the market. This is also called the scale of a map. Scale of a map can be defined as the ratio or relationship between a distance measured on a map and the corresponding actual distance on the ground. Let us look at another map of India to understand this better. Here, if you look towards the left bottom corner of the map, the scale is represented by a ruler with 500 written above its length and kilometers on the side. This simply means that the length of this ruler, which in this case is 2.5 centimeters, corresponds to 500 kilometers on the ground. So, the actual distance between 2 points represented on the map depends on the scale that the map is using. Do you think that our Google Maps on our phones also show places around us on a fixed scale? Post your thoughts in the comment section. Let us now learn about the second component of maps, directions. Look at this map carefully. Do you notice the 4 arrows on the top right? They point to the 4 directions. You must have also seen such arrows on Google Maps applications on a phone. These arrows point to 4 directions. The top of the arrow points towards the north. Moving clockwise, this arrow points towards the east. The bottom of the arrow points towards the south. And moving further clockwise, this arrow points towards the west. These directions are also called the Cardinal Directions, or cardinal points. While most maps have either 4 or 2 arrows, some detailed maps also show intermediate directions, or directions between these 4. These are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Let us look at an example to see how cardinal directions help us to read the map. Here, in this simple map of a city, we can say that the market is south of the hospital. Let us now use our understanding of cardinal directions to answer Let's Explore section on page 11. Consider the map of the small city again. Identify the correct and incorrect statements in the list below. Pause the video and answer these questions. 1. The market is north of the hospital. This statement is incorrect, as the market is towards the south of the hospital. 2. The museum is southeast of the bank. This statement is correct. We can see in the image that the museum is southeast of the bank. 3. The railway station is northwest of the hospital. This statement is correct, as the railway station is northwest of the hospital. 4. The lake is northwest of the apartment blocks. This statement is incorrect, as the lake is southwest of the apartment. Let us now summarize what we have learned in this video. Scale of a map is the ratio or relationship between a distance measured on a map and the corresponding actual distance on the ground. There are 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west on the map that helps us find places using map. In the next video, we will learn about symbols on map. Happy learning!